Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable chat replay on your YouTube live. So let's go to go live first, and I'll just do right now. Add in your title. Next, you're then going to just select customization, and here you're going to enable the live chat replay. So what that basically does for your YouTube live is that when someone chats on the live like tab, it will show up again when like the stream has ended and people watch your videos again, like they watch your live again, it's gonna show up. And you're just going to basically save, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.